Welcome back again, guys. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome to MTB TV. Back again with another video. Today's going to be a mini service on my Giant Talon 2. It's going to be a bit of a brake bleed. People know it as maybe a bleed burp. Burp the brakes a bit. Because I think the back brakes is a bit spongy, so I think I need to try and see if I can let a bit of air out of it, because there was a damage on the brake. No, there wasn't really, was there? No, not the brake. Yeah, on the brake cable. So I'm just gonna go and attempt if I can just get a bit of air off and see how we get on. So on that note, onto the video in a bizzle. Peace out. Beautiful. Let's get cracking. So this is what I'll be using. I'll be using this cone to just put a bit of mineral oil at the top, and I've got to try and find which one here. I've got to try and see if it can fit on top of the bleed screw. Right, found the part. It's this one here. Right, I think that's in right. See how we do. Right, let's crack on then. Probably that's all I need. Okay, let's pump the brakes and see if we can see any bubbles. Oh, there's a bit there, isn't there? Doesn't seem too bad, does it? I thought it'd be a lot more than that, but that's quite. Yeah, there's a bit more give in that now. Tap the brake hoses and the caliper. That's it. Well then, before I take off the cone, you've got to put this stick in there, so it stops anything from coming off the bottom. I'm going to get some cloth. Put a bit of cloth at the bottom, so I don't get any avoid a bit of spillage. So this is how it's looking like at the moment. It looks good enough mineral oil on top of that. So let's get screwed it back on then. I put a bit of alcohol wipe on it at the top, make it look clean. Look at it. Respect it. Admire it. It's looking good. Real good. Yeah.